Use the 1/8 hex key from the Y-shaped skateboard wrench together with the 3/8 wrench to remove the truck bolts. Remove the handle and mounting plate. Flip the board over and install the handle. Insert the 38-meter truck bolts. Install the riser pad included in the kit. Install the headlight. Check that the light cable can move freely. Tighten the truck bolt nuts.
拍一下最后的那一下就行。对。
Place the light cable into the cable clip. Plug the power cable into the battery enclosure port. Apply the 704 sealant. Installation complete.